Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. We are not against recruiting but against the ways adopted for it, says Roy KUPAR. Women's group takes full responsibility for the welfare of the society. This year's Christmas brings profit or loss to shopkeepers in markets. And Shillong MIAH tangled in the net of AMPATI police intelligence wing. And now the news in detail. Hinyotrap Youth Council Sengme Women's Wing, under the leadership of the Secretary Roy KUPAR Sindram, got the opportunity to meet with Dr. Joram Beda, who is an IAS officer, also the chairman of Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board MMSRB Shillong, regarding 400 posts of medical and health officers and junior specialists under the Health and Family Welfare Department. While speaking with the media persons, Roy KUPAR informed that HYC is making it clear that they are not against the recruiting of people in the field, but they are just not satisfied with the ways the recruiting method is adopted, because this hasty method has a high potential of bringing about inconveniences. Therefore, the recruitment board alongside the government will be held accountable.
Don kilung nujing bakala balai nakala sansni ke balabu ke atrik pipen kala no sakalai singi bat balai labu eka examination ban pelong no khat sautrik nakaliang tajong uliu chairman ula pen syai ngi kajing kendu ong ba kajing le scrutiny le ka don ka review committee la ne kata scrutiny committee ke jong ki ka baman la ka singi pisong pamut la don balap kajing bakla ki don ki nong tap ki bat ya ki post la don balap kajing bakla ki phone ni ki pentep wut ba ka bakla kan ni ka bakla ka tai ba ki la ban tap yang sesisin pamut ba ki la ban le.
As part and parcel of celebrating Meghalaya's 50th statehood anniversary, the Union of Women on the 10th December 2022 summoned all members of the union from different blocks for a general meeting. At the same time, the women's group also celebrates its 30th anniversary. The day was marked with meaning when Thailin Panbo spoke at Khasi National Darbar Maukhar on the subject Kabinta Kikinthe Hakasan Purthe, the participation of women in administration. While speaking with the media persons, the President Thailin Panbo explained that the motive of the union in organizing the program is to discuss on certain issues that women, just like men, have a heavy responsibility in governing and administration and also social lookout. She mentioned that the male members of the society have always been the decision makers, but now the scenario have changed where women members also contribute to responsibilities in the society and certain decisions can be taken by them for the well-being of everyone.
Rementa mak buon ka ki darbar Shillong hangnya so Shillong ki ba kutup lang ya ki secretary ku president ki jok secretary long ki tu khot ka executive committee di kani ba de kalong kamlong uniform kan baro mu ki kalong kalong kani ngi su ban kam yin amal ki bakta ya ki kentei so ba kalong ban kam ba ki kentei punya dan benda kan banrai lang ki dan kam esi po Shillong po tha sibun ki bayar rai bentang mu di darbar Shillong kamut na datang kirang ba kirwa dan sibun ki benta ki bangi kentei ni hab banya sibentar lang bani ajing mut lang bani perkhat lang mar kanu ka kam bayan trei lang kalong ka ba seiso kani khamya saprang ken we don lang pat kentei be chamba.
Tailors and outfit sellers like coats, jansam, dhara and other outfits that people usually buy, especially in festive seasons like Christmas, wedding ceremonies, religious gatherings and so on, many people and shopkeepers opined that people in the previous years usually order or purchase outfits, but the number of people purchasing this year has gradually declined compared to the past few years. Taking the opinions of the shopkeepers selling festive clothes, they informed that in the previous years, this time of the year, the market used to be filled with people placing orders for their outfits. However, this time a tentative event took place where most of the people resort to online shopping with the active use of internet, but it cannot be denied that they come for fittings or to get matching outfits. On the other hand, a group of shopkeepers are of the opinion that the sale is constant, it is not decreasing or increasing, it still does not affect them. It is an advantage since the COVID-19 pandemic subsides.
Mantaru klemia chibun mantaru lahal kumbanchua to am don hi less than 50% lockdown tu. Manta customer ru lockdown boon options, lockdown online. But second itu boon lockdown ba second hand paint mapi layo jain sispa arspa laispa tangka hangne to by suru don't come ban thik ka jain hadin don't come ban siu ka pisa by suru katuru lalong ba phe difficult time for us.
Pai ba am tak sedang ban ya be bha bani online di second hand
online second hand babha customer pate amtre ban one hadu khandai ladon boon congestion block ru ladon klemio jaga parking problems the ladon shibun te ban rung hangne ru police bijaru lating te bun ba customer ladon bun ba dakhait te bun pickpocket ladon shibun manin ru kawai customer laja pisa shibun te
Kamu kajing don jeng ki thief kala.
Thief ladon pickpocket la security am done te pickpocket ladon shibun te lating te bun ba customer ban rung chapo kandai la suffering the ladon janga pai janga bun suffering.
On the 9th December 2022, the Police Intelligence Wing of AMPATI Anti-Narcotics Task Force, ENTF, in Southwest Garo Hills, set the trap at one of the roads in AMPATI when they received news on some people dispatching drugs in this region. The police got hold of a motorcycle with the number AS343138 with Shakil MIAH motoring it. On checking the motorcycle and the belongings of this person, the ENTF police captured 6 soap cases which contains white-orange powder. When litmus was done on these powders, it was found that they are heroin drugs worth 1,50,000. The AMPATI ENTF seized Shakil MIAH under their jurisdiction. Further interrogation is done on the supposed drug peddler. As a mark of celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the brass and jazz band of BSF Meghalaya gave an enthralling and exciting display on the international border at Ramakrishna Mission School, Soabar, Panji, East Kasils District, Meghalaya on 10 December 2022. The BSF band played several popular patriotic tunes and left the audience mesmerized with the emotions and love for the country. More than 450 school children enjoyed this program. Sri Swami Anurag Nanda Maharaja, head of Ramakrishna Mission Sora, was invited as chief guest in the program. BSF officials during the speech expressed that this band show was demonstrated to spread awareness of national integration and evoke sense of patriotism among public and school children. The audience was also requested and motivated to take keen participation in Swachhta Pakhwara and initiative of the Government of India from 1st to 15 December 2022. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.